Who's a good boy? Sit. Who's a good boy? That's a good boy. I have been asked a lot to make a video on how we made the base for our grow pots. Well, he's not making any more, but I'm going to try to explain it so that way you guys can maybe make your own and come up with your own ideas on how to do it, but this might help you some. Okay, first off, these are all treated. I just took the pot off of there. These are all treated and they're 2x4s. Now the metal frame here, aluminum frame that's right here, that was off the track of a bulldozer. So if you got the bulldozer handy and you got some tracks, then that's going to work great for you. Otherwise, you could just do like 2x4s, that kind of thing there. And hope, you know, that, or put like a metal plating of some kind up underneath to kind of give that extra support for your 2x4s. Okay, so there's a 2x4 here on the front. There's 4x4s up underneath, and I'll turn it over and show you that. The wheels, we have two that rotate on the front and two stationary on the back. Then for the handle, he made this out of a fence post, aluminum post, or whatever you call that stuff here, and from a cyclone fence, and he just used this right here to join it. Can you see how that's done? Here it is on the back side, and then the pole, and then he used the rest of it for right down here. And down here he put another bigger, larger fence maybe, or something to that effect. Okay, Valentino. And use these little curved things here and put some stuff in here. Whatever we had around, you can use rubber or anything like that to kind of give it a stability. All right, now I'm going to turn it over so you can see the underside. Ooh, the suckers are heavy. Okay, so there's the underside. It's a 4x4 this way, a 4x4 that way. So two 4x4s, and then you've got the 4x4s, 2x4s, and then these are the wheels. Like I said, these are stationary. We got those at Harbor Freight. These turn, and so that's pretty well it. And then I'll give you the measurements. Hang on one sec. All right, I got our handy dandy measuring tape, and this is measuring from the outside of the 4x4 to the outside of the other 4x4. Looking at about 2 foot. And let me see. Let me lift it back up again, if I can. Oh, it's a lot easier to lift up than it is to do the other way. Let's see. The 4x4. I'm going to measure from where the 4x4 ends. Come on here now. Let's go this way with it. And you're looking at another almost 2 feet. And then the board in front, which is just to stabilize it. So that's going to be 2 foot. So that's it. That's our little roller. Try to get this tape up. It doesn't want to roll up. That's our little roller stand. They sure work nice when you're having to move those pots around. I'm going to move them right over here for right now, because we're not using these pots anymore. And these pots are heavy with the soil is wet. So you can see, you can just turn them. It works really nice. Get them where we're fixing to get a bad freeze here in good old Texas. Okay. Anyway, that's how they work. So I hope this has helped you guys, and if you have any other questions, let me know. I will be posting about how I do my hoop setup for my fruit trees, my tropicals, and give you a little information on that and what I do during a like 17-degree freeze for multiple days. This is it. Okay, well, y'all have a good one, and like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what everybody says, but anyway, I mean it. Do it. Anywho, y'all have a great day, and once again, enjoy. Y'all can figure this out. It's not hard to do, and I believe you can do it. All right, if I can do it, or if he can do it, you can do it. Ciao.